In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open dispute on Aliexpress. If an order goes wrong, maybe it never arrived, came damaged, or wasn't what you expected, opening a dispute on the Aliexpress app or website is how you request a refund or a return. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open the Aliexpress app or head to the website and sign in to your account. You'll need to be logged in so the system can pull up your orders and link the dispute to the right one. Next, go to your account area and open My Orders. Scroll through the list and find the order that has an issue. Tap or click View Details so you can see the full order page. This is where the dispute tools live. On the order page, look for the Open Dispute button. Sometimes it's labeled Return Refund. Select it to begin. If you don't see the option, check the buyer protection countdown on that page. Disputes must be opened while protection is active. If the timer has expired, the button may disappear. Now choose the dispute type that best matches what happened. Typical choices include item not received, item damaged, wrong item, or item not as described. You'll also choose between refund only or return and refund. Refund only is common when the item never arrived or is unusable, and returning it isn't practical. Return and refund is used when you can send the item back for a full refund as instructed by the platform. Fill in the dispute details carefully. Write a clear, factual explanation of the problem and specify the amount you're requesting, either a full refund or a partial refund if only part of the order was affected. Upload evidence to support your claim, photos of damage or the wrong product, short videos that show the issue in action, and screenshots of tracking or any conversations related to the problem. The stronger and clearer your evidence, the smoother the review process tends to be. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the reason, requested amount, and attachments accurately reflect your case. When you're ready, click Submit. Your dispute is now open. After submission, keep an eye on messages and updates in the order details. The seller or the platform may respond with an offer or a request for more information. Respond promptly and keep communication polite and concise. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll navigate the Aliexpress dispute process with confidence.